Open your Android's settings. The settings app is a grey, gear-shaped icon that you will likely find in the app drawer. Scroll down and tap Personalization. This option is near the middle of the page. Tap Fingerprint Scanner. It's a blue icon with a white fingerprint image on it. Tap Fingerprint Manager. This option is near the top of the screen. Tap OK. It's all at the bottom of the screen. Swipe your finger across the home button. The home button is at the bottom of the screen. As you swipe, you should see the bar in the middle of the screen fill up. You will have to swipe your finger a minimum of 8 times. Tap OK when prompted. Doing so will take you to the screen lock page. You may first be prompted to enter a backup password or PIN to ensure that you don't get locked out of your device. If so, enter a password or PIN twice to continue. If the screen lock page does not open, tap Screen Lock. Tap Fingerprint. This option sets your fingerprint as your Samsung Galaxy's default unlock option.
If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel and give us a big like. Thank you for sharing your time with me and have a nice day. Stay